Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Right now we're going to take a look at the green beans that we have planted here as kind of like a test to see which ones could survive the best in these really not premium conditions. So we have on the left, we have the Kentucky Wonder, then the Bush Blue Lake in the center, right there, and then we have the Harvester on the right. Okay, now obviously the Harvester has is looking adversely affected. So almost low to no success with the Harvester. And these soil conditions, basically it's sand mixed with a little bit of eggshell, which is supposed to contain chitin and help reduce the numbers of the root knot nematode, but apparently that's not working. Over here with the Bush Blue Lake, there's mild, well, no, there's absolutely no success. So the Bush Blue Lake, if you can see, is zero success. But over here, the Kentucky Wonder is actually trying to do something. It's fighting very hard to survive. Now, the University of Florida recommends the Kentucky Wonder. They also recommend the Blue Lake, and then they recommend rattlesnake bean and McCaslin bean, because all four of those varieties are rust resistant, which means that they can handle the hot humidity. So going forward, what we're going to do is probably go with this Kentucky Wonder, and then I want to try some of these other varieties that are being recommended by the University of Florida. But I want to take this bed here and recondition the soil. Also, I'm going to use black walnut hull powder to keep the root knot nematodes out, because if you look over here, we just pulled some of our carrots yesterday and they were infested with the root knot nematode, which I found to be kind of surprising. But yeah, going forward we want to do some things different. We're finding that the Juglone inside of the black walnut hull powder is actually showing efficacy in regards to keeping the root knot nematodes at bay in different control areas with different crops throughout the yard. So yeah, that's what we're going to do going forward, and I'm excited because all of these experiments, I've been hoping for success, and I've been hoping to get like a miraculous yield and whatnot, but that has not been the case. We have been battling these root knot nematodes the entire time from August last year to right now. So almost an entire year of experimenting and trying to figure out how to condition this soil to be able to handle the root knot nematodes and get rid of them. So going forward, I think the black walnut hull powder is going to play a big role in what we do and how we manage our soil in the years to come, and it will dictate whether or not our crop yields are successful. That's going to be a big role player here on this property. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as we'll keep you updated on the progress of apparently the Kentucky Wonder. Have a great day.